look what we have here, just in it, unique, especially in classics. It's a beauty too, 1991 GMC Syclone pickup. Best of all, one owner vehicle, same person since new, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual miles, 54,165 on this vehicle right now. Of course, the 4.3 liter turbocharged V6 underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Take a look at the front fascia grille. You can see this black paint shows well in this truck. It has underwent one repaint, which, if you know anything about General Motors paint from the 80s into the early 90s and black, you can see why. Check out the still pictures. You're gonna be able to see the underside, and look at the underside of this truck. Unbelievable interior, engine bay. You'll be able to see the bed. Those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct GMC Syclone wheels. In the glove box, there is the owner's manual and also the key for the locking center cap on those wheels. Kelly radials, those are date coded 2014, so they're starting to get up there. Want to make you aware of that, and I'll give you a little more lowdown on this truck in just a bit. But first, let's look down this passenger side. You can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. You can see the reflection in that paint. It has a beautiful glossy shine to it. Interior, just as nice as the exterior. We're going to get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer. Everything appears stock in there that I have seen. AM, FM, cassette player. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Cruise control works on this one. Power windows, albeit they're a little slow, and that is very common in this vintage GM also. Look at how nice and straight those panels are. Lower body moldings, not all chipped up. All right, coming around to the rear, you can see the exhaust exiting. It does have a complete exhaust, front to rear, with catalytic converter still intact, and it also has new mufflers on it. Has had a fresh oil change. The differential case and transfer case fluids are full and good. Brake fluid was recently flushed and new. New serpentine belt. The brakes are 70% in the front, 80% in the rear. This one's ready to go. It will also come with a car cover. Let's take a look down this driver's side, and again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, the bed looks just like the rest of the truck. It has not been used for hauling or worked. Take a look in the still pictures. Look at the reflection. See the cars behind me. If you like these specially rare vehicles, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. All right, door panels, practically like new. Of course, here's the power lock and power window switches. Still has the stock floor mats. Those are like new too. Now, as far as the seating surface, make sure, if I step back like this, this gives you a true color of what that is. It's gonna wash out. If I get up on top of it, it's gonna wanna make it look gray. It is not. It is more of a black. It's the way the lighting kind of affects it in the nap of the fabric. The fabric is very nice on these seats. And again, cruise control works, tilt column. Appears it has had, we have a boost gauge, turbo gauge here. And I believe that's aftermarket, but I'm not positive. Let me know, Syclone experts out there, put it down in the comments. All right, there's your exact miles, 54,165. Gauge cluster. Sorry about that. Radio's working. Working plenty good. Cup holders, center console, of course. Dash not cracked. Headliner. No surprises on this one. Let's take a listen. That sounds good. Very interesting trucks from back in '91 have become quite sought after and rather rare. And here's your opportunity for a well taken care of, a one owner, clean Carfax, a low mile one. These opportunities do not come around very often. Let me pause it a second. We're going to take a peek and look at this engine bay. All right, couple real small, I don't know if you'll be able to see them, just real small little touch-up spots in the front of that hood. Kind of notice when opening it. Little stone chip or a pebble chip that's been touched up with black paint. Like I said, well taken care of vehicle. Even the trouble light underneath the hood is working, and look at how clean this is. See the date on the batteries, 2022. There it is, the 3.4 liter turbocharged V6. And wow, those engine bays just don't get much cleaner on a vehicle from 1991, no doubt about that. Like I said to start off, it's a beauty. 1991 GMC Syclone pickup, one owner. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a special truck, a 1991 GMC Syclone. Now based on the Sonoma, but all-wheel drive, turbocharged, and could whip up on Corvettes and Ferraris of 1991. And yes, it is very quick. It's not noisy, it is not wild. It is refined and yet very quick, which you can define wild yourself. It's wildly fun. Over on the left we have a turbo gauge, and in the middle our oil pressure is showing 80 psi. That's really good. The fuel is 3/4 of a tank full, and the battery's charging over 14 volts. The temperature is about a quarter of the way up, or coming up to a quarter. Tachometer is working, speedometer working. There's also a turbo gauge, the factory one right here. The AC blows cold in this truck.
Ready shrimp, baked with
Stereo sounds good. So while you're whipping up on the Corvettes, you can relax in cloth bucket seats and air conditioning, and even haul something in the bed if you would like. Brakes feel good, nice and smooth. Very responsive throttle. You just blip it, you can feel the truck jump a little bit, and that's the fun part. Corners nicely. These trucks are just amazing. I'd really love to see what one would do against the Grand National. How about you? Take a look at all the pictures of this GMC Syclone, a rare truck in very nice condition, at uniqueclassiccars.com.